This video, we're going to be looking at the 2-1-7-3-6 in the key of C sharp. Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm the founder of 60-Second Chords, and in this video, we're going to be looking at the 2-1-7-3-6 in the key of C sharp. So if you come with me, we're going to go right to the keyboard and get right to it. So in C sharp, we have the 2, which is the E flat, the 1, which is C sharp, the 7, which is the C, the 3, which is the F, and the 6, which is the B flat. So in breaking this down, we're going to be looking at, and again, this video is designed for people that are intermediate and advanced who already know the number system. So we're going to be looking at the 2. And in the left hand, we have E flat, B flat, and E flat. We have a G major 7 in the right hand, which consists of G flat, B flat, C sharp, and F. That would be your 2, which is a minor sounding chord. Now we're going to go to the 1. You can play any sort of 1, but again, this is a more intermediate advanced video. We have C sharp, A flat, and C sharp. And in the right hand, we have F, B flat, and E flat. Now we're going to go to the 7, which would be the C. In the left hand, we have C, G, and C. And in the right hand, we have a simple B flat major. Consists of B flat, D, and F. Now we're moving to the 3, which is one of my favorite chords that I love to use. It's the F7, sharp 9, sharp 5. And we have here in the left hand, F, C, and F. And in the right hand, we have A, C sharp, E flat, and A flat. And then lastly, we have the 6th chord, which is on the B flat minor, 9. We have in the left hand, B flat and F. And in the right hand, we have A flat, C, C sharp, and F. So now we have the 2, the 1, the 7, the 3, and the 6. Let's play it through so you all can hear what it sounds like. There you have it, 2-1-7-3-6 in the key of C sharp. Now again, I hope you take this video, apply it to all 12 keys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. I'll see you guys later.